evening the rhythm out a little bit, but once again, overall, very, very good. So one more new exercise, and this is probably the last one we're going to do for a little while, because I'm giving you a lot of exercises. So this is a picking exercise. This is to help you develop your pick accuracy. I'm guessing that of all the things that are different between the violin and the guitar, the pick versus the bow is probably the biggest difference, right? As I know, because I struggle with the bow so much when I try to play the violin, so I'm aware of that. Okay, so the way this works, this is actually the first of a whole set of exercises. All of these actually get progressively harder. So we're going to start with the easiest version. So for this guy, you're going to start with your little finger anchored on the first string, 3rd fret, and it's going to stay there for the whole exercise. Now what we're going to do, for starters, is we're going to be picking back and forth between the 1st string and the 2nd string. So we're going to start with our 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. We're going to pick down on the 2nd string and up on the 1st string. Then we're going to switch to 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the 2nd string, but keep the pinky down. So your 3rd finger comes up, and your 2nd finger goes down. That's better. Down, up. Very important here. 1st finger, 1st fret. And then back to 2nd finger, 2nd fret. So Andrew, if you were counting this, how do you think this would be counted?
1 and 2.
Yes, eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that means you can kind of repeat it as many times as you want. After you're feeling pretty good about that.
Bless you.
Thank you. So sorry. After you feel pretty good about that, so, let's try it. Once again, Andrew, the theme of today's lesson is even rhythm wins the race. Okay, so just try to keep the beat very steady. That's more important right now than how fast you go. Next step, we're going to hike these fingers up to the 3rd string. The pinky still stays on the 1st string, so your 3rd finger, right? And now our pick is going to go down on the 3rd string and up on the 1st. So you're skipping over that 2nd string, which makes this a little tricky. Whoop. And we'll do the same moves on this string. Good. Can you see where this is headed?
No.
Okay, the next version, you're going to move up
Oh.
to the 4th string. Keep going. Got 2 more strings. Okay, so that was not bad at all. I noticed that things, when you got to the 5th string, things started to get a little bit tougher. It started to be harder for you to to find the string accurately with your pick hand. That's actually not bad, Andrew. Most of my students, it tends to hit the fan and go south on the 4th string, not the 5th string. So you're a string ahead of most of my students, so that's good. I think you'll find that with a little bit more practice on that, that your pick hand is going to start to just naturally be able to find the strings accurately. And once again, with all of these, really working on keeping a steady rhythm as well as doing the rest of the stuff correctly is important. Okay, so we kind of finished up most of the stuff for Wish You Were Here last time, right?